Start off with a clean face. Now exfoliate your skin. I like to use baking soda, and all I do is I just damp my face and I just take a little bit of baking soda and rub everything in gently. Now moisturize with an oil-free moisturizer. Use your damp beauty blender to pat the primer into your skin. Using the same damp beauty blender, pat the foundation into your skin. Use a light coat of concealer underneath your eye and pat it in with the damp beauty blender. And then set your eyes with the loose translucent powder. Don't forget to use the same patting technique. And finally, when you have finished putting on the rest of your makeup, use setting spray to just set everything in place.
And that's about it. So I hope that you guys like this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can get the notifications for when my next video is. And I will guess I'll just see you guys next time. Bye!